How to change country in Amazon Prime Video. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we will guide you through on how we can change country in Amazon Prime Video. So let's go ahead and look out on how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. And also turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. So in order to do so, you may just directly head over to the Amazon Prime Video. After that, go to your account at the top right corner. After tapping on your account, you'll be led to this. So here you will be finding different options here. You're going to look up for the option called account and settings, which is on the second. Just go ahead and click on it. And after clicking on it, you'll be finding sign in option here. So here you may either enter an email or mobile number, whichever you used in order to create your Amazon account. After that, enter your account password and click on sign in. After you are done, head over to your account and list at the right tab at the right corner of your screen. After going here, you will be finding your account settings here. Here, you're just going to look out for the option called content and devices. After that is done, you will be taken to this page. So here, you may just directly head over to the preference section where you will be finding different options including country region settings. So you're just going to go ahead and locate the option called country/region settings here. After that, you can find a change icon at the side of your country or region. So just go ahead and click on change. After that, select the country that you are from, and that should do it. So that's how you basically change country or region on Amazon Prime Video. Follow the steps, so do so. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and then thank you for watching this video.